Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix enable, or missing Windows Copilot in Windows 11. Check Windows version. Windows 11 version is 23H2. First method is right-click Taskbar, click Taskbar Settings. Turn on Copilot. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand Explorer, click Advanced. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as Show Copilot button, change value data to 1. Third method is type GP edit in Windows search bar, click Edit Group Policy. Click and expand Administrative Templates, click and expand Windows Components, click Windows Copilot. Check Disabled, click Apply, click OK, close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.